Okay, Chevy Impala fans, Gause Garage coming to you from lovely South Venice, Florida. And what you're seeing before you is an ultra rare, ultra nice 58 Chevy Impala factory tri-power, factory 4-speed. And yes, before you say there were never any 4-speeds made in 58, let's turn it over to the owner, Frank, who has paperwork. And Frank, this car is incredible.
The car is a four-speed were put into Chevy Impalas in February of 1958, and of course a regular RPO number for 58. But
Which we'll see some paperwork on that in a minute.
Yes, I'll have to get that out,
Perfect.
and I'll show you the paperwork on it. So,
Okay. How long have you owned the car?
I've owned the car for 43 years.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah, so that's pretty good.
I'll say. And again, factory 4-speed. Look at that interior. You know what, folks? It doesn't get much better than this. That is classic Americana.
Yeah, right.
Clean, mean, and obscenely nice. Cool, you're going to bring over the light to give us a little illumination on it. Fantastic. Look at that. Let's get some close-ups on here. Just how nice this thing is. And that's the magic right there. A lot of people say that wasn't made. Okay. The documentation. Okay. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at, there's the RPO 685, right?
Right.
For the 4-speed transmission.
And the date is February 13, 1958.
Aha. Okay. So as of February 13th, they introduced that a 4-speed would be available. And this car was produced
For California.
in California. Do you know the date it was?
I don't have that.
Oh, okay. But it's obviously one of them.
Yeah, right.
Cool. Very nice.
So I put the Continental kit on.
Ah, okay.
I put that on probably 20 years ago.
Never heard it. That's beautiful. Okay. And let's have a look at that engine. Beautiful paint. Trim is beautiful. Look at those original wheel covers. Everything is just so. And here you go, folks. This is the heart of the matter right here. If you look down in there, that is a tri-power.
Power steering, power brakes.
Wow. Power steering, power brakes, tri-power, 4-speed, convertible, documented. With paperwork, which shows the RPO. It's quite amazing. So, yeah, let's hear this thing. Because you know what? I'm sure the viewers would love to hear this tri-power engine. That, my friends, is a healthy tri-power 348 in a beautiful drop top 58 Impala 4-speed. Very rare. How many would you estimate were made of these cars?
You know, I don't have a number. I'm sorry.
You don't have, okay, but super
We know
rare.
that there's 17,841 miles on there.
Wow.
Original miles.
Original 17,000 mile car.
I bought it, I think it had 12 or 14,000 on it
Okay.
in 1980.
Fantastic. Well, there you have it, Chevy fans. 17,000 mile, 58 Impala convertible, factory tri-power 4-speed. It doesn't get much better than that. This is Gause Garage, South Venice, Florida. Thank you very much.